bag looks so massive for a baby that's going to be like 2-3 kilos. And once you put it against my belly, it's the size. It's literally the size of my belly right now. Rather than have the hospital just throw away my placenta, I'm going to be putting them in capsules. Let me explain. I have one mission and one mission only today, and that's to sort out my hospital bag. So that's items for myself and items for the little one. On here I've just spread out everything so I know I have brought them out from the wardrobe, the cupboards, the drawers. Some of them have been washed and dried, and there is a checklist here. This checklist I actually got from prenatal classes. I would say please do prenatal classes because there's so many things that, especially if you're a first-time mom, there's so many things that you won't even think that you need, but this one was led by a midwife who has experience like helping women give birth. So I'm just going to go through this checklist and pack the things I need. The things for the little one will go in this bag. And yeah, let's just get cracking. I have procrastinated on this for the longest time. To make finding items a lot easier when we're in the hospital, we grab these Ziploc bags, and I'm just going to stick like a small label on it and just write what's inside. So if someone else is helping me grab items from the bag, they can just look on the Ziploc bag and have an idea of what's inside. I have a PJ set. I tried to get everything in really dark colors. From a lot of the videos I've seen online, it's just like, I don't know, in case you get stained or you are someone who gets triggered by the sight of blood. A lot of the items I got in like black, gray, navy blue, dark green. The bikini top in case I end up going in a bath pool or having a water birth. I'm just opening myself up to the possibility of, I want like a natural birth, but if I have to get in the pool, at least I have a bikini top to wear and I'm not entirely naked. Okay, shorts and bikini top. Next item is a dressing gown or a robe. I'm guessing this comes in handy when you have to breastfeed and you don't feel like wearing anything just yet. I got mine in navy blue and I got it in a medium. Time for underwear. I got these maternity briefs, and these are the ones that cut really low below the belly. Then I also got some big black comfy underwear, and then I have nursing bras. The way nursing bras work is you unhook them in the front so you can pull out your boob and breastfeed the baby. For maternity pads, I have the normal one that look like sanitary towels but a lot thicker. Then I also got the Frida Mom disposable postpartum underwear. These ones kind of look like briefs, but they have like the pad underneath. So once you have it on, it's kind of like an adult diaper. Oh, they are thick. Oh my god. So I have heard that peeing and pooing can be a challenge. So I got this perennial bottle for postpartum care and cleaning. So it has a nozzle that is kind of bent like that. The things women do. I'm also taking the spritz for bits. This one, I think I got this from Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid, but I'm going to take these two. I'm just going to pop in some nipple cream as well as breast pads. So they're kind of like big round cotton wool. There's so much stuff that needs to be packed. Oh my god. I need some bath essentials, so a sponge. My sweet friend Diana got me these kits. It says New Mom Pamper Pack. It's actually so cute. It comes with a sleep mask, a shower gel, body lotion. I'm just gonna take the whole thing. I'll remove it from the pack, but take everything. Here, I'm also going to take some face mask and eye mask. Also going to be taking the big black towel. And finally, I have my going home outfit, which is just a PJ set in navy blue. It's just a simple navy blue PJ set with white trimmings that I'm just going to take because I want to look cute on my way home. So I have packed some accessible clothing for breastfeeding, spare t-shirts, spare shorts, and I'm also going to pack flip-flops just to wear around the hospital. I just regular flip-flops that I've worn on holiday, and I'm just putting that in a Ziploc bag. I think the only things missing is a spare pillow and blankets for myself. So I think those are all of the things for me. I'm just going to move on to her bits and pack her bag. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some vests, both long sleeve and short sleeve. She's going to be born in the summer, which means it will be warm. So I have 3 of these short sleeve ones. Then I have 3 of this long sleeve type. Onesie vest, it's called different names, slip suits. And then I have the cutest hat. How cute is this? Cute hat with matching scratch mittens, because I have heard that they come out of the womb with such sharp nails and I'm not about to be scratched. So I have 2 sets of those. Socks, small socks, bib, and a cardigan. But this one is already full, so I'll put those in a separate bag. 2 muslin sheets and 1 cellular blanket. Okay, the cellular ones, the great thing about them is that they have holes, so they are nice and breathable. I have 2 of these, but I'm just going to take only 1 to the hospital. Get her nice and changed and tidy. I'm going to be taking some diapers. This is the newborn one, is size 1 and is by Mamiya. Is this brand that I will pack with some wipes and some cotton pads to clean her down there. What's up, guys? It is Sunday, I think 19th May. I am about to start my 36th week, which is, I would say, like the last 1 month of the pregnancy. I just got 2 exciting things in the post. I finally received the mattress and like the fitted sheets for the mattress for our bedside cot or bassinet. I'll show you what it looks like real quick so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. But I'm going to unbox that with you, show you what it looks like, and I think I will need to wash the sheets before actually, arranging it on the bed. But excited. Let's unbox this. Okay, before I unbox the mattress and the sheets, I just wanted to show you the bedside cot that we have. This was loaned to me by my friend Diana, and it made so much sense rather than buying a new one. It is one of those that have wheels on the leg, so we can pull it closer to the bed if we want. And this, I believe they say you put the baby in till they're about 6 months. It depends on how quickly they grow, but there is a specific weight that once the baby is beyond, you would want to put them in a bigger cot or a bigger bed. So this is where I'm going to be putting the mattress, and then just prepare everything for her. So when she comes, she has somewhere to sleep. It comes with this like wooden board that you place underneath the mattress to have it nice and sturdy. So everything is nice and flat in there. Right. So the first box here is the fitted sheets, or like the bed cover for the mattress. I think we got a set of 3 or so. I don't even remember. I think it's amazing how much money you spend on buying baby stuff. You're like, oh, £5 here, £10 there. I don't even want to think about how much you spend. You know, you're just like, let's just get what we actually need for this baby because they deserve to have the very best. That's where I am mentally at this point. But these are the colors we went for. The sun is playing with my feelings today. Let me just reduce this so you guys can see the color a lot better. So we went for pinks, oranges, whites, and grays. And the good thing with this set that we got, it actually comes with a protector for the mattress. So if there's a diaper spill or water spill or whatever, it does not soak or damage the mattress directly. So the first design is this unicorn set. Ah! If I'm being honest, George picked this design. Surprisingly, has been the more enthusiastic one in this entire baby shopping process. But that's the first one. It's kind of like unicorn, cute, and it has the elasticated edges, so it will fit around the sheets nicely. This is, I believe, 100% cotton because we're very specific. Yeah, 100% cotton. So it's nice and breathable. And because baby's going to be born in the summer, we didn't want to buy anything too thick, nothing that would make the whole bed setting too warm. And the second is just plain pink sheets. So we got 2 sheets. We got the set from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. I think I'll put everything on my Amazon storefront for anyone who wants to grab these pieces. And this is the cover thing that I mentioned. Let me show you what it looks like. It's actually nicely sealed. Part of me does not even want to even open it. It sure looks like this. It has this texture on the surface, and it's meant to protect the sheet, the mattress from like spills and stains and stuff. So I'm going to throw all in the washing because I'm quite particular about things being washed before being used. So that's the first parcel I got. The second item I got is actually the mattress for the bedside cot. This actually came all the way from Italy, if I remember correctly. It is rolled up into a tube. That's why it looks like this. So let's open this up. So in the box, the mattress is rolled up into a tube like this. I guess it makes sense for easy transportation. And I'm just going to remove it from the packaging. It's actually quite dense. And it has these patterns on the surface that kind of look like, because it's meant to be made from bamboo, it's meant to be like nice and breathable. And the reason why I want to open this mattress way before she comes is because it's so rolled out now. It needs time to actually stretch, to like stretch out. So I want to open it, just lay it flat here, let it air, let it stretch out, let it flatten before this baby is born. Oh, okay. So that's the size of the mattress. It has bamboo living written on the surface there. You can see it, yeah. And it's covered in plastic. It's actually quite small. But yeah, you can see because it's been like rolled up, it needs time to like bounce back. I hope it fits. That's my second word. I hope it actually fits this thing. So let's see. Hey, please fit though. Okay. Whew, that was close. It's just a little bit wide on the sides, but it's foam, so I just like squished squished it in, but yeah, it's in. Her bed is ready. Oh my god. Let me show you guys what it looks like up close. So see what I mean by it's just a little bit wide on the edges, but because the cut is fabric, I could get away with just squeezing it in on the sides. But it's nice and soft. It's really thick as well. They don't need pillows, so I don't need to get a pillow, just bed. Cover it with the protector thing, which is this thing here. I need to open this up and actually like figure out if I can wash this. So that over this before we use the fitted sheets. But yes, the bed for our princess is ready. That is one thing with this country that I found very interesting. There are lots of like free things that you can get as an expecting mom. This is what she looks like at almost 39 weeks. Look who has arrived! The mothership!
The mothership.
The mothership! Tell me your mother is around without telling me your mom is around. Dry fish, yum.
I'm looking for information about labor, contractions, and how long it takes.